In the forgotten town of Kalibangan, in the mystical valley of Mount Sahya, Ahana lived in an ancient haveli inherited from her Dadiji, grandmother. The townspeople whispered of curses and lost souls, and their gazes filled with unspoken dread. Ahana, a restless soul drawn to the unknown, felt a vague connection to the strange atmosphere that enveloped her. One stormy night, while rummaging through the attic, Ahana finds an old yellow journal of her Dadiji. The ink had faded, but the words spoke of a forbidden love rang out with terrifying urgency. The story of a woman named Nalini and a shadowy figure known only as Vishwabhedi, the whisperer, Kunal. Their relationship transcended the natural world and was linked to ancient tantric rituals that invoked dark forces. Nalini's passion leads her to the forest, where whispers echo and shadows dance like demons. Ahana's curiosity was piqued and she started exploring the forest guided by the light of the full moon. As she wandered deeper and deeper, the air thickened with restless energy. The trees seemed to be watching her, their soft branches stretched out like skeletons. It was here that she met him for the first time, a figure shrouded in darkness, with eyes that flicker like lamps. He introduced himself as Vishwabheya Kunal. Kunal was magnetic yet unsettling, the very presence of the man blurring the lines between attraction and danger. He spoke of cosmic truths and the beauty of disillusionment, despair, and revealed to Ahana the darkness that lingered with her own soul. Each night she returned to the forest and was drawn to him like a moth to a flame. Their conversations delved into the depths of human desire, and Ahana felt herself slipping into a world where reality intermingled with nightmarish visions. But as their relationship deepened, so did the whispers. They spoke of the price of deep love, an offering demanded by ancient forces lurking in the shadows. Ahana begins to experience chilling visions, Nalini's fate intertwined with hers. Trapped in a cycle of longing and loss. The more she learns, the more she realizes that Kunal is not just a human, but a vessel for something dark. One fateful evening, Kunal reveals a truth that leaves Ahana with chills in her heart. To bind their souls forever, she must give up a piece of herself, her soul, a sacrifice to the shadows. Torn between passion and the remnants of her old life, Ahana struggles with temptation. Echoing the tragedy of Nalini's story, the forest became the scene of her torture as whispers grew louder. In a moment of careless abandonment, Ahana agrees to the sacrifice, believing that love can conquer all. As she utters the words that seal her fate, the world around her is twisted. The trees twisted. The sky darkened, and Kunalan's true form was revealed, an immovable void, beautiful yet strange. The forged relationship was intoxicating and suffocating. Ahana finds herself trapped in an existence where time unravels and the line between love and despair blurs. Kalibangan's whispers morphed into a symphony of torture. The echoes of countless souls consumed by their own desires. As the seasons changed, the city whispered her name, the story of a woman who danced with shadows forever trapped in the embrace of Vishwabhedi. Ahana has become both an epic and a cautionary tale, reminding us that some love is forged in the dark and not all whispers are meant to be heard. In the end, she is lost, yet beautifully woven into the essence of Kalibungan. A ghost wandering the mists, forever searching for a love that transcends the universe, but haunted by the price paid in the shadows.